Hi, fourth graders. So you're going to get started by writing your name and art code. This worksheet is going to help you practice creating different values with paint. So we're going to start with the grayscale, and how I like to start it is by first putting down my white and then my black. Now, if your white is showing up with like a little color in it, you might just need to clean your brush a little bit. It does not have to be perfect inside the lines. What I care more about is that you're gradually changing the value. So now I'm gonna clean my brush really, really well by touching the bottom and drying it on the sponge. Now I'm gonna get my black in here. And then this should be only black, no white, because this is the darkest it's going to go. Now to get this next value, the next few, I'm gonna start with white, and I'm just gonna put the tiniest bit of black inside. I'm gonna put a little bit on my brush, but if I would mix this in, it would be too dark. So now I'm gonna clean my brush, and I'm just gonna add some white on top of that when I'm mixing it. Now what I could even do is drag that color onto my next box. And now I could add a teeny bit more of black into that. Now I might skip a box and start with my black over here and then add white. Even these two might have to be black first and then white. You can see a lot of times I would stretch some of it out, add more black, add more white. It's kind of a process, but this is a pretty good gradation. When you're done with that, you're actually going to label so that you can refer to the different values that you have. So you should have 8 different values. Now I'm gonna start with my color. So if you finish this, you'll just raise your hand. You might not get to do the color part today, or you might get to do some of it. And I chose purple. Whatever color you choose, I will put on your palette or in whatever paint container you're using. And we're gonna start the same way. However, instead of just starting with white here, you're gonna do white with the touch of your color. And for black, you're gonna do black and a touch of your color. And then we're gonna kind of make our way. This is what it should look like. Obviously, depending on your color, it'll be a little bit different, but it's a gradual change from light to dark. And once you finish this, you will be ready for your thumbnail sketch of your landscape or seascape background.